See, whenever they hear the sound, they also come. Isn't that cute? I wonder who's way in the back. An angel wing. Way away. I never know who's straggling in the back. No, it's a female. No, Angel Wing's in the lead. He's the leader. Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. I love you all. Mama loves all her ducky friends. Glad that you joined me. You ready to go cardinal walking? You ready to go for your walk, everybody? Everybody back there too, ready? Everybody ready? Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Let's go look for birdies. Come on, don't eat the bird seed, Tugger. Yeah, Tugger was on the bench, or his twin, eating up the sunflower seeds. That's doing what the squirrel did. He's copying what the squirrel does. So, they're getting clever, these ducks. They're saying they went to the sunflower seeds. They're hungry. They're desperate. Yeah, they get desperate at time. Y'all coming? Y'all coming? Yeah, y'all coming. Don't forget the other ones in the back. Yeah, y'all good boys and girls, huh? Y'all my babies. Mama loves her duck feathers. Yes, I love all of you. I love you all. Oh, there's a duck way down there, too. Way back down there, there's one up there. Right in front of them. Not every duck's following me. Alright, most of them are here, though. Also, one wasn't participating when everybody else was participating. And that might be the one loner. I don't know. Come on, everybody. Let's go walking. I lose my walkers this way. Where are y'all going? Where are you going? I lose you. Alright. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to have a few still left. Okay, it's 2:30.